If you are logging into your Telegram account again and again and not receiving a verification code, then this video is for you. This is happening to you because in some region Telegram is restricted. In this video I will guide you step-by-step process that how can you solve this problem. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to the point tutorial, so just remember the channel name Haskry and make sure to watch till the end. We can solve this problem by adding proxy to the Telegram, but it's a long way process. That's why first minimize your Telegram application and go to the Play Store and type SuperVPN. Install it in your mobile. Once installed, open it and press connect. Once connected, simply go to the Telegram, as here you can see automatically detected and have sent the code. Simply enter your code and your Telegram account will be logged in. Note one thing, that this is a temporary solution. Your Telegram will work fine until VPN is connected, when your VPN will be turned off due to any reason your Telegram will stop working. To fix it permanently, we need to add proxy. Tap on the pop-up video to see how to add proxy in Telegram, so you can do your work without any entanglement. I hope you found this video helpful. Then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.